If you're a videographer, you need to get yourself this Accsoon CineView Master 4K. It's one of the best transmitters. It's got so much features. Not only can you transmit this through the receiver using both SDI or HDMI all at the same time, you could wirelessly transmit this to 4 iOS devices, iPad, iPhones, so then you could go live on YouTube and Facebook and Twitch and so on. It's got a pass-through, so that means you could have an HDMI that goes in or an SDI that goes in and then an HDMI out to your monitor. The transmit goes to 1.5 miles. It's got so much crazy features at an amazing price for what it can do. If you want the best of the best, this is what you want to get. The Accsoon CineView Master 4K uses both HDMI and SDI in and HDMI out on the transmitter. It supports 4K at 60 FPS wired and HD 1080p wireless. Accsoon uses tri-band transmission technology, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and the new 60 GHz frequency, and get ultra low latency at 25 milliseconds, best in its class, and ideal for focus pulling and live directing. Inside the Accsoon CineView app, you'll find waveforms, peaking, zebras, LUT support, and more. Turn your phone or tablet into a professional grade monitor. You can go live in YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook. Plus, record your camera video directly into your iPhone and iPad. Power it with Sony NPF batteries, DC inputs, or USB-C, and mount it easily with its rugged, lightweight body design. I recommend getting the Accsoon V-Lock adapter that has a power pass-through from V-mount battery, powering both the CineView and your camera at the same time. It's a perfect way to mount your CineView to any cameras, making it look very professional and seamless. Alright guys, so I got the discount code link below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. And if you got any questions, please leave a comment. I will answer any questions that you have, or just say what's up. It'll help out with my algorithm, and I definitely need all the help I can get. And I will see you next time.